Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Odiri, and today we are doing our next episode of Get It or Dead It, where I let you know if you need to run to the store, get the product, or leave it there, dead it, forget about it, it doesn't exist. So everybody knows that Rihanna came out with her Fenty beauty line about a year ago. She dropped these bomb foundations, the Pro Filter foundation from Fenty Beauty. So I have the 420 foundation. So quick little story. I bought for whatever reason, I let somebody color match me. I have no idea why I did that. I was probably just trying to be nice and didn't want to be that girl that comes to a makeup store like, I know more than you. I work for a better brand than you. Just kidding. Just kidding. But I bought a 420 or 440 foundation, and this is the 440. You can see it in the bottle, like it's mad dark, and this is the 420. So the 440 was way too dark, oxidized, turned me orange, and it was just awful. So I stopped kind of wearing it because it was hard to finesse the foundation. Even with like adjusting my concealer, doing a different powder, it was really hard to finesse it. So I just stopped wearing it. But then I went back and I bought the 420 foundation, which is what I'm wearing now, and that one works so much better. So Rihanna dropped the Pro Filter concealers. So I've been wearing them for about 2 weeks, and honestly, I'm kind of split between the two. I'm split between them. Here's why, and I'll show you when we put them on. But first, let's get into the details. So we have the Pro Filter concealers, and I grabbed 3 of them. I grabbed a 420 to match my foundation, the 390 as like a softer highlight, and then the 350 as a really bright highlight. And I'll swatch these for you guys so you guys can see. This is the 420. $390 and the 350. So everyday kind of concealer, a little bit more of a highlight, but still everyday wear, and then like more dramatic for like going out. So you dropped the Pro Filter concealer. So these are considered to be full coverage, crease resistant. So she also dropped the setting powder. So I grabbed 2. This one is banana. It's a lighter powder, and then this one is honey. And so love the packaging. The packaging is just chic. Like, I would keep this packaging just for the aesthetic alone. It's very pretty. And I will say that I like how we know that the soft matte packaging is Pro Filter. Like, I think this is a staple. I just love the packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. I like when I buy a nice product that costs enough and the packaging is perfect. I love that. I absolutely love that. So I grabbed these 2. So let's get into the concealers. So I'm gonna just do the 390 concealer, and I've been wearing it for about 3 weeks now, or 2 weeks since it came out. And I will say that, see how like it's kind of like doing these little dots on my face? There's no hair like up there, like it's all on my chin, but I don't know. It's I don't like that it does these little dots. It's weird. So I'm just gonna stripe it on. See, like I don't know why that is. Like all my hair is really, it's my sideburns. So I don't know why this is there, but I'm just going to do the 390. So I'm just gonna blend that out with a contour brush from Wet n Wild. And I will say that I really like the way that the concealers blend. They blend really easily, very creamy. And I'm just gonna take that up over my eye. I like that this shade is very true to color. Some of the shades I noticed were they could serve more as color correctors. I think going past like 350 and kind of into like the 340s, some of those shades are, I think, best served as color correctors. for maybe more fair skin tones. But I like this shade a lot. I'm just gonna blend that down. Fabulous. So I love the way that they blend. I will say that as I've worn them throughout the day, I feel like they can get a little bit creasy. I've tried doing a little bit less concealer. I've tried doing a little bit more. I've tried setting a little bit longer, and I feel like they can get a little bit creasy in here, and I'm not entirely sure why that is. So I'm just gonna keep playing with like my powder combinations and see what I can get out of that. So next, I'm going to just go in with 350 and go over that concealer, the 390, because I just want it to be a little bit brighter. And even with the first layer down, it's kind of still doing that little bubbly pore-like thing, and I don't really like that. My other concealers don't do that, and I noticed it with this one immediately. And I'm going to set my foundation, and typically what I do is I like to mix the two powders, or set my concealer and my foundation. Y'all know what I meant. I like to mix the two foundation colors, or two powder colors. I feel like the banana is a little bit too light. See that? I picked it up because it said banana, and I think everybody kind of is conditioned to, like, if it says banana, we think it's gonna be like the perfect yellow, but that's not always the case. That one was a little bit lighter. I would honestly consider honey to be more banana-ish, but it can get a little bit dark. So I just mix a little bit of the honey into the banana. So with the powder, I did notice, and you guys will see it when I take it off, is that it's very like pigmented. It's very fine, number one. It's very fine. Like, this is more of like a dust to me. I feel like other powders aren't as dusty. This is very, very finely milled, pressed, whatever. It's very, very fine. And something else I noticed is like it's intended to brighten. It really does brighten. It's a little bit harder to kind of get the powder out if you don't want to, like, when you, that's why I didn't set underneath where my contour would be, because it brightens really well. And it takes a little bit more effort to kind of get that off. So now I'm just gonna go with my prolonged wear powder in dark deep and dust off the excess powder. I'm going to take the matchstick and espresso, and I'm gonna use that to contour. Then we're gonna take our Trophy Wife highlight, and I'm taking a Morphe M501 brush, amazing for highlighting. And I'm just going to pop that right there. This is such an iconic shade. Like, at first I didn't buy it because I was like, it's too gold, everybody's gonna have that, but this is just so iconic. Like, Trophy Wife is to finish off the look. I'm just going to go into the FRIENDCATION palette from Dose of Colors, and I'm gonna take this color right here, Churro, and this color, Cheens, and just do some light shading on my eyes, pop on some lashes and a lip, and I'll come back with my final thoughts. All right, everyone, so this is the final look. So overall, we love Rihanna. We love Rihanna, okay? I would say get the concealer, but like, you're not gonna die if it's not in your collection, okay? I don't know, like, I love it, like, I like it, but like, I don't know if I love it just yet. Maybe I have to revisit it. Maybe I have to give it a little bit more time and play with it a little bit more. I like it, but I don't love it just yet. But I don't think like that you should just say totally dead it. So we're not gonna dead it. We're just gonna play it by ear. Play it by ear. I think that's a fair statement. So all I did, so again, I used Trophy Wife. I used the Matchstick and Espresso for my contour. The setting powders in Banana and Honey. I mix those two together. I'm gonna leave all the details in the description bar. And my lip is just Cherry Lip Liner and RUBYWOO lipstick from MAC. And my eyes are just from the FRIENDCATION palette from Dose of Colors in their collaboration with DESI and KATY. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I hope that it was helpful. I hope that you guys keep watching other tutorials, keep watching my tutorials. I'm so close to 50 subscribers. So if you guys like this, please, well, not 50, 100 subscribers. I'm very, very close. So if you guys like this, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I would really, really appreciate it. And let me know what you guys want to see next. Connect with me on my social medias. And until next time, be good to yourselves.